Hello, Janet. Troy Brown here with TLC Web Marketing. How are you? Hey, I want to get this video over to you as promised. Take a look at Handyman Hub. Looks like you've got quite a few locations. We're going to concentrate on Colorado right now, but I know that everything's pretty much duplicated across the other sites. So the first thing, we're going to talk about three things today that Google weighs most heavily when they are ranking a website for the organic search. So first thing is content. Second thing is backlinks. And the third thing is citations. And we're going to start with content. So you may have heard content is king, but believe it or not, Google likes to see 1,500 words on the first page, 1,500 on your home page. You guys have about 350, 400 with this here. Okay, so it's seeing all this stuff. It's seeing here and it's seeing this. The other thing that they look at, just so you know, most owners don't realize this, when we right click and save as on this image, okay, so whoever's done your work here is doing better than average because they got Handyman Hub Denver, Colorado, home repair and remodeling services. So that's labeled fairly well. They could put more keywords here in the tag and simplify the title. But just to check here about consistency, so everything's labeled the same on this page, on the home page. Nothing wrong with that, but you could switch it up, and instead of just duplicate content for all four of these images, you could actually, and then these images here, could actually do more keywords. There you go. So we're talking about Handy Hub smoke alarm batteries. Okay, I don't know if you want to be ranking for those keywords or not, but that's what's on that one. So again, flooring scaled. Okay, so they are labeled. However, they could be labeled more effectively. And again, this all contributes to your relevant content on the home page of 1,500 words or more with the keywords that you want to rank for. So I did a quick search, and I wanted to point something out. On your website, your Colorado home and repair remodel solution. If we put home repair and remodel Denver in the search, there's 0 search volume. Okay, if you put repair, home repair in Denver, it was only $50 a month. So home remodeling Denver is really where you want to be. You can see they've got a search volume of 320 a month. Competition is 29. So, excuse me, competitive, but definitely something you're able to rank for. So the first thing that comes up in the search here is the top 3 of the map pack. That's definitely something that you would want to work on. This is called the GMB, or the Google My Business account. And the primary thing that this is valuable for your business is the name, address, and phone number. This one doesn't have an address. A lot of them have an address, some of them do not. So sorry about that. So this is the map pack, and you really, I would recommend that you do the work to get in this top 3 of the map pack. That would be huge for Handyman. And then beyond that, here's the top 3 in the map pack, or below the map pack, which is Classic Home Works. This is a guide, factordesignbuild.com, and remodelingdenver.co, which is Hawk Construction. You also have Active Design and Build down here. You guys are actually on the second page, 15th position. So we want to give these guys a run for their money. So the first one here, Classic Homeworks. Let's take a look. I always look at content first. So they have actually about the same or maybe even less content than you guys. We'll check this out. Keywords are not, or images are not saved correctly. So you've got that up on them, yep. So their images are not saved properly. Less content. So here's Factor Design Build. Okay, so you can see they've got quite a bit more content as far as words. Right, they're pushing about 700 or 800 words, so they're about halfway to 1,500 or so on here. Then Hawk Construction, This is not a very strong competitor for you. This is where the opportunity is, but I'll get to that here in a second. Just looking at their content. So their content comes in as you scroll to it too. Interesting, they may be getting, that's interesting. They have a post from Urban Remodel on this website. I don't know if they're associated with them or not. I'm kind of actually familiar with this company. Used to live right near where their office is. So those are the top 3 that you're competing. Here's your website again. And what I did is I took everything and put it in our tool that we use quite frequently for our research called Ahrefs. And what this does is it breaks down a website. And it looks exactly how many backlinks, referring domains, organic keywords, their traffic, the traffic value, etc., ranking on Google. This here, your UR is the popularity of your website. 34 is pretty strong there. The DR is the strength. So this is popularity and this is strength of the website. So this company has 650 backlinks, and that's qualifying 223 organic keywords. They gained 3 keywords and 8 backlinks last month in the last 30 days. That's coming from 176 referring domains. So there's multiple backlinks coming from these referring domains that contain these organic keywords. So we'll just kind of skip along here. Next one, second position is, here we go, Factor Design Build, 28 on the UR, only 10 on the DR. So their website is not very strong. They have a little more popularity. Again, here's number 1 position, number 2 position, number 3 position. So here we've got Cabinet Warehouse, remodelingdenver.co, and also cabinetwarehouse.biz. Okay, you see how this is another domain they have here, but this is what they're ranking for. So 35 on the UR, good popularity, but their website strength is way down there, brother. So this one here, Janet, is going to be the opportunity here is to slip in between the 2nd and 3rd position. Here is Handyman Hub. So only 6 and 8, guys. Okay. And what I did was, if I filter this so it's just for the Colorado location, look what happens. Yeah, actually, your UR and DR stay the same. These are both obviously much lower in your competition, but for this exact URL in Colorado, you have no backlinks, referring domains, or keywords showing. If I take all the subdomains from across all of the different locations, you have 2,000 backlinks for 817 organic keywords, okay? And so you have more than the competition. So how come you're not ranking? The reason is that your backlinks and your keywords, so you're down 12 here, you're up 52 here. So we need to build more relevant, powerful backlinks, and that's going to raise your popularity and the strength of the website. So if we look at these here and we sort these by DR, which is strength of the website, so here's sorting from bottom to top. So here's your backlinks for your company. All of these backlinks that have 00 are, not only are they not helping you, they actually hurt you. So this is what is weakening your website strength and your popularity. Okay, so if we go through here, you actually have more than one page of all zeros, it looks like. Okay, so this is why the site isn't ranking in Colorado and beyond with the popularity and the strength of the website, is that you have the volume in backlinks, but you do not have the strength and quality in those backlinks. Okay, so the last thing here, I'm running a little long on you here, sorry about that, but so the other one is citations. So we talked about content, backlinks, and citations. So name, address, phone number for the business. I touched on it briefly. That's a citation. And then Google looks at how many times does your citation or those 3 items, name, address, phone number, appear online, and then they give you strength also for that. So that's just a good overview. Hope this was helpful for you. Feel free to use any and all tips for yourself. No worries. And if you would like some help, or if you have questions, feel free to reach out and be happy to talk more about your business. Thanks.